Welcome back to Cause 3D. Today we're going to talk about Spaceballs. Let's dive into this helmet build and let's talk about this rifle.
Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Make sure that you hit that like button down below, subscribe, leave a comment, because it's those things that help support this channel for free and let us do more content for you.
This week I had a fun build, and it was the Spaceballs Trooper Helmet and Officer's Helmet. And I have to say, this was actually a lot of fun, super quick, super easy to build. I printed it upside down on the bed, rolled through it and finished it up real nice. And I've got another clear coat to put on this, so it is a little bit duller than I want it to be at the moment. I've got to do a clear coat. I simply ran out of time. The other thing I built this week, and I did this more off camera because I'll show you the footage of what I did on the Trooper helmet here in just a moment, but I also built the Spaceballs rifle from the Galactic Armory. All three of these files are from the Galactic Armory. I will link them in the description where you can go and buy those directly from the Galactic Armory. And the rifle this week was a super easy, quick build. I mean, no reason to put that footage up, but it printed beautifully and it's got a nice weight to it, especially here in the back. It's not too heavy to troop in. One of those builds that, as I got into it a little bit further, I really have a major appreciation for the designer of this. They thought of everything. Wooden dowel runs through the middle of it to give it rigidity and strength. And the weight is fortunately more towards the back end. I've done a lot of cosplay guns over the years, and the weight's kind of in the front or even in the center. And it gets very tiresome carrying that around all day, but it's all right back in here. So it's a great design. But highly recommend, if you have time, if you have the extra filament, build one of these rifles. It was a lot of fun. But I'm gonna roll some footage of the Spaceballs Trooper helmet that I did, and then I'll give you a quick wrap up.
Careful, you idiot! I said across her nose, not up it!
Sorry, sir. Doing my best. thanks for joining us this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Always appreciate when you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you plan on building one of these for yourself, I will leave a card up in the top left-hand corner here, the dark helmet that I had built a couple weeks ago. So you're welcome to watch that video as well. We really appreciate you, and thanks for supporting us. If you want to support this channel for free, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.